The search engine results page
Yes.
are dynamic in nature. Dynamic in nature means the results
For
displayed
example,
the results displayed are completely dependent on the choice of keywords. You're getting my point.
yes, sir.
You change your keyword, the results will change. For example, I'm going to show you around 4 to 5 examples of how the search engine results is being displayed. Okay. The ultimate goal of a search engine to display the result is to show the highly relevant and most useful results in a shorter period of time. You are getting my point? Highly relevant
Yes, sir.
and most useful information in a shorter period of time. This is the biggest goal. Okay. Now, what happens? The search engine results page may show advertisement at times. It depends on the choice of keywords. Number one, once I try to search a 2 liter water bottle. Okay, what is the intention of me? What is my intention? 2 liter water bottle, which means I'm researching to check out 2 liter water bottle. Water bottle, correct? I
Correct.
am researching now. I may potentially buy, correct? I
Correct.
may potentially buy. Now, when I may potentially buy this product, do you believe that Google can show advertisement because I have the probability of buying a product? Look at my keyword 2 liter water bottle, correct?
Correct.
The keyword 2 liter water bottle intention says that Anudukumar needs a water bottle of 2 liter quantity capacity, right? Okay. I hit
Correct.
enter. Possibly Google knows very well this guy is looking forward to buy something, so he is exploring, and Google shows advertisement at the right side corner. Can you see?
Yes. See too little water bottle.
Yeah. So water bottles are being shown. So Google is showing advertisement because not because Amazon, Natura by Home Center has given money to Google. Google is not displaying this advertisement because they gave money to Google. Google is displaying advertisement because the keyword used by this person, Amadou Kumar, means he is looking forward to buy one. So when I show an advertisement, it may help Amadou Kumar to make better decision. That is the reason advertisement is shown. Advertisement is not shown because the advertiser pays money to Google. Google pays, I mean, displays advertisement to the visitors, thinking that when I show this advertisement, it can help Amadou Kumar to make better decision. You're getting my point? Google can save
Yes,
me
sir.
money by showing this advertisement. Google can help me to buy it immediately, and I can save my time and effort immediately without waiting for a long time. Now, Google is trying to help me out. Make sense? Now,
Yes, sir.
when I change my query like this, what is water bottle? Correct? What is water bottle? Now, what is the intention of this query? This is a question, right? Knowledge based keyword, which means I don't know about water bottle and I'm trying to understand what is water bottle, correct?
Correct.
Now, I may not buy because I'm trying to understand what is water bottle. Once I understand what is water bottle, I may have an idea of buying a water bottle. But right now, I don't know about water bottle. So I am researching. It's a research keyword. You are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Research keyword. When a person is doing a research keyword, showing an advertisement will not be feasible. The person may not buy. So when they show advertisement, when they are searching a keyword that is basically a knowledge keyword or research keywords, advertisement may not be shown because people will not be interested to buy. So Google does not want to show advertisement when people are searching research keywords or information keyword. Okay, what is water bottle? When I try to search what is water bottle, I may not have advertisement. Can I see? No ads.
Yes. It is trying to describe me what water bottle is actually all about.
and it takes information from Wikipedia and different websites about what is water bottle, and it is helping me to understand, because Amadou Kumar is searching for what is water bottle, and this